Good evening. My name is Ruby Tatiana Morales Calvo. I have a problem when recording the class. It turns out that for security reasons, recording in the classroom is not allowed in these institutions. For this reason, I was only able to take a few photos to support the job. Uh, the competence that students must achieve are listening comprehensions, which is the ability to understand to process informations. Students will be able to understand institutions, dialogues among others, written comprehensions, competence. These competence refer to ability to produce written text, for example, a sentence, paragraphs, stories, among others. The main goals will be to communicate more effectively and understand and use the more advanced vocabulary and grammar. The topic to work on is the simple present, and the main objective is for students to be able to identify, use the conjugate verbs in the simple present. It begins with a greeting and the explains of the subject. To work on the subject is explained, and the correct way to use the conjugation or regular and irregular verbs is also explained. The students for pairs in which it's on mark write different affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentence. After this, the teacher forms groups in which the teacher says different sentence, and the teacher first group that answers correctly is the winner. Finally, is feedback is the made to verify is the topic is clear, and this is done through random questions. Those archives, the set is thank you very much.